Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am out chasing after kings and silvers again. Okay, looks like the water did drop a little bit, and yeah, right now we're just gonna try to locate where the fish is at. So stay tuned, guys. What up, Kingslayer? Did you? What? Nice. Yeah, I was down here by myself for like a whole hour.
For an hour?
Yeah.
You didn't even get a bite?
Not even a bite.
Jesus Christ, dude, I've had like my first 3 casts. I got a new pole, so I'm fucking.
Breaking it in, huh?
Yeah, and I was like, well, if that's a fish or not. And then the third one, I fucking. Bam, I got that one down there.
Nice.
And I've had several other bites.
What the heck? Hell yeah.
There's fish jumping down here, dude.
Hell yeah.
I got fish jumping in here. I was like, where the fuck's that?
Let's go. 4 or 5. Got him. No. Bobber dogging. It's a chum, guys. It's a chum, yeah. Shit. That freaking bobber drained, dude.
I told you, man, it's loaded down here. This guy only comes down for an hour and leaves.
I know, right? You alright? Right in the hole, foot in the hole too? Oh, dude. Freaking look like a soldier, man. Look at him. Look at the stripes on him. Come on, baby. It's a freaking hog, huh? Oh man, look at that. Oh shit. On the bobber dog setup too. Yeah, he's gonna go in the smoker if we can land this sucker. Alright, I'm gonna lift up. Oh crap. Up here. He's up here. He's going up. Oh shit. Ready? In and out. Okay. There we go. We're gonna need a bigger net. Did you get it? Oh, hold on. Got him. Yes. Woo, baby. That's a hog, dude.
How's it going?
I mean, it's a little dark, but
Yeah, but it's a buck, so it should cut good.
look at that, guys.
First cast.
First cast, man. No. Oh yeah, it's a what? It's a king. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a king. Yep. It's a good one. Don't get in there. Oh. It's a pig, dude. It's a pig. It is. It's not hooked very good, too. Alright guys, we just hooked up on this one. Freaking camera died about 5 seconds into it or so. Look, it's a beast. Yeah, it's a hatchery king. I think it's a hen. Yep, it is a hen. Is it still jumping?
No, that was not it.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Nice one. Man, that was an epic fight. Now that was a good fight. Thanks to Kyle over there for helping me net it. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah, that's gonna complete our video for today, man. Hell yeah. Oh. Yeah, because I got one chum. So you're only allowed one chum, so that's gonna be it, guys. Limit out. That's Kyle's king over there. Hell yeah. Let's go.